See dear children, page number 64, project 1, stories. See, read a story. You may select a story from this book. Draw what happens in the story here. You can choose to draw any one thing from the story. See dear children, read a story. Any one story you can read from this textbook. You may select it from a book. Okay, you may select a story from this book. Draw what happens in the story here. Draw what happens in the story here. You can take too big, too small. Okay, Shanu story you can take here over here. So draw what happens in the story. So you have to draw what happens in that story. You can choose to draw any one thing from the story. You can select any one of the story from this book and draw what happens in this story, and you can choose to draw any one thing you can draw in this box. Okay dear children, now let's see. A story has one person or many people, a place or many places, some problems, a solution. See, a story has this following things dear students. See, a story has one person or many people. You can take any story, no, so you can see in that story one people is there or many, one person is there or many peoples are there in that story. Okay, a place or many places. In that story, places also mentioned. Okay, a story has a place or many places. A story has some problems, and at the last, a story has a solution. So these points make stories. Yes, one person or many people, a place or many places, some problems, a solution. These 4 points are important in the story, and it creates story. Now let us make a story. Think of these and make your own story. Then tell your story to your friend or teacher or family. Who is the story about? Where is the story taking place? What is the problem? Now dear children, take a help of this question. Then you can write your own story. You can frame your own story, and you can tell to your friend, your teacher or your family. Okay, so frame a short story by using these questions and tell to your family, tell the story to your teacher, tell this story to your friend also. Okay, so this way dear children, you have to make a story.